I'm working on a waistband for a skirt and thought it might be helpful if I share with you how I attach my two ends of elastic together. So first of all, when you're working with your elastic, you do want to mark where the join actually needs to be. So this is where the final join should be. Typically what you're going to do is you're going to use either hand stitching or your sewing machine and do a zigzag stitch a few times to attach both of the pieces together and then cut off the extra. Well, the problem with that is that you create additional bulk. Sometimes that doesn't matter, but because I'm doing a crochet waistband, it's already pretty bulky and I don't want to add any more bulk. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to use a piece of fabric. So this is really tough fabric. It's a cotton, there's no stretch to it at all. And we're just going to use this in this one place right here. So first thing we need to do is cut off our elastic at the exact point of where it needs to join. So there will not be any extra. Being very accurate with your measurements here is important. So now that we have our two ends cut to where they need to join, we're going to take our piece of fabric and we're going to place both of those ends on the fabric and we're going to clip or pin those in place. Then we're going to take our piece to our sewing machine or by hand, and we're going to stitch together at the center and then on both sides. So you sew up the center seam and then on both sides. The last thing is just to cut off the extra fabric from around the sides. So you'll end up with a very secure join with less bulk, and the fabric will be hidden inside your casing. Have you used this method?